Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, December 19th, 2022. And we have some good news if you're looking to avoid some significant travel issues ahead of the holiday season. We have Hanukkah right now. Happy Hanukkah to all those celebrating. And we have Christmas, of course, for Sunday, Christmas Eve on Saturday night. But if you're looking for a white Christmas, well, doesn't look like the data is going to be supportive of that, but there's a threat for a few snow showers. So we'll talk about all that in a bit. And of course, if you would like to help this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Let your friends and family know where you get your favorite weather information from. And of course, if you're looking for more detailed information on why the pattern is evolving the way it is, definitely check out the premium consulting membership up top there with all the details you need about the weather pattern evolution. And of course, it's only $11 a month or $80 a year. And of course, finally, we also have gift certificates. So if you're looking for a quick, easy gift to give to your fellow weather enthusiast or someone who may be young and interested in learning about the weather, definitely check that out as a gift membership for 1 year. So let's talk about the weather that is happening right now as we evolve towards our end of the week storm. High pressure is in control right now with chilly conditions throughout the region. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s in your suburbs, and mid 30s in your urban areas and along the immediate coast. Your warm spot is on the east end of Long Island, where temperatures are around 40 degrees. On our latest surface map and radar, we can see a cold front that is approaching the region on our WeatherTap radar, and the threat of a few snow showers here over the Great Lakes. Could see a few flurries pushing in towards the Poconos and Catskills, but no real accumulations expected. Pretty nice lake effect band taking shape off of Lake Ontario here. Meanwhile, we have another area of low pressure that's starting to organize down here in the Tennessee River Valley and mid-Mississippi River Valley with some rain and snow. Not expected to impact our area, at least not for a couple of days. When we take a look at our infrared satellite picture, you can see tranquil conditions are generally in place. This low pressure system will pass to the south, no real threat to us. But further north towards southwestern Canada, our next storm is starting to evolve, and we have another piece of energy right around the southwestern United States, right around northern Mexico. So we're watching these two features here. Again, this is our water vapor satellite picture. And we have a blocked up pattern, certainly a favorable pattern for the potential for storms to develop. But much like, as I explained, with ice skating, in a lot of my live chats, you can have a perfect pattern, but if you're off by just a little bit, you end up with a far different weather pattern than what you would expect for a major winter storm. And this is why I put out caution about trusting the details for the end of next week just yet. Yes, there's a storm threat, but that's all we really know right now. But now we got a little bit more data. And so with that, we have a better understanding of what to expect with our storm. So let's walk through this forecast. For today, high pressure generally in control with sky cloud cover. Watch out for a passing flurry or two over the northern interior. High temperatures range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, tranquil conditions but chilly. Look for low temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s over the northern interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, look for sky cloud cover with temperatures rising into the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s in your suburbs, and mid to upper 30s along the immediate coast. On Wednesday, high pressure remains in control with sky cloud cover and chilly conditions. Temperatures are going to be bottoming out into the single digits to mid-teens over the northern interior, upper teens to mid-20s in your suburbs, mid to upper 20s in your urban areas. High temperatures will rebound into the lower to mid-30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. Now we get to Thursday, and notice we have this wave of low pressure starting to organize along a stationary front down here with high pressure starting to give way slowly. By Thursday morning, that low pressure system is lifting up. Meanwhile, we have an Arctic front. Now, yes, last week's forecast was basically this. This Arctic front is moving faster. This low pressure system is starting to organize. The two begin to interact along the coast, and boom, there's your big storm. The difference here is that the Arctic cold front is moving a little bit slower, and this wave of low pressure in your subtropical jet stream is moving a little bit faster. So much like when you're watching ice skating, if one partner is moving too fast and they're trying to do like that triple Lutz thing and jumping at the same time, if one partner is off by just a little bit, then the whole move just collapses and the guy falls on top of the woman and it's just a mess, and then the German judge gives you a 1 and you get thrown off the ice in disgrace. In this case, that's essentially what's happening here. Okay? This low pressure system is moving a little bit too fast. This Arctic cold front and all the energy behind it is moving a little bit too slow. So, as a result, on Thursday, this low pressure system starts to lift northward. We see increasing clouds with precipitation breaking out in the morning, possibly a little bit of rain, sleet, and snow at the very start on the coastal plain. I'm kind of watching to see how fast the cold air comes in, with temperatures on Thursday morning ranging from the upper 20s to lower 30s throughout the region. And of course, over the northern interior, you have some colder air as well. By the time we get to the afternoon and evening hours, the easterly wind associated with this wave of low pressure basically takes hold, and what you start to see is a rapid changeover to rain on the coastal plain in the morning. A little bit more gradual over the interior. I might have a little bit of concern for some ice here for the Poconos and Catskills before they go over to rain as well. Temperatures will be rising throughout the day with high temperatures over the northern interior in the lower to mid 40s. And again, this is closer to midnight, and along the coast ranging from the upper 40s to lower 50s. Again, you have a combination of an easterly wind and warm air surging out ahead of this Arctic cold front. On Friday, the Arctic cold front marches its way through with some very windy conditions and heavy rainfall, with temperatures continuing to rise and basically topping off in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. But that's going to be out ahead of the Arctic cold front. As that Arctic cold front moves through, temperatures are going to crash, and there's going to be some precipitation lingering behind it. How fast the temperature is going to crash? Well, we're going to have high temperatures in the 50s and 60s in the morning. By the time we get to the evening, many locations will be in the 20s and teens. So you're talking about a rapid fall in temperatures, precipitation changing over from rain to snow showers. Possibly some heavier snow in the Poconos and Catskills. We'll have to watch this transition very carefully. But as the cold air comes in, you're going to notice your temperatures are going to drop. Even on the coastal plain, beware on Friday night into Saturday morning for what we call a flash freeze, because you still have some wet pavement and then the Arctic air comes in. So temperatures by Saturday morning, remember, in the afternoon, the day before, you're talking about temperatures in the 50s and 60s. By the time we get to Saturday morning, you have temperatures ranging from the single digits to mid-teens over the interior and upper teens to lower 20s along the immediate coast. So again, those temperatures will be falling rapidly. Can't rule out a few passing snow showers or flurries. I'd watch out for a few lake effect snow bands coming off of Lake Ontario and Lake Erie, and perhaps maybe a band of snow trying to break off and dropping off as a squall on Saturday afternoon. So just be prepared for that potential. High temperatures on Saturday will range from the lower to mid-teens over the northern interior and upper teens to mid-20s along the coast. The temperatures really don't move all that much on Saturday. On Sunday, look for scattered cloud cover. Again, this is Christmas Day, so generally dry weather conditions. I can't rule out a flurry or two in the Poconos or Catskills. Low temperatures will range from the single digits to lower teens over the northern interior, lower to mid-teens along the coast, high temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s over the interior, lower to mid-20s along the coast. And on Monday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover expected. Look for low temperatures in the single digits to lower teens over the interior, mid to upper teens along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid-20s over the interior, and upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.